everyone, my name is Denis Sehisura Purba from 4th A. I'm going to present about my favorite wild animals. They're called alligators. Alligators are very large reptiles. They have long round snouts, huge jaws, scaly skin, 4 short legs, and strong tail. Alligators live in ponds, marshes, swamps, wetlands, lakes, and rivers. Alligators eat fish, turtle, and even deer. Alligators are only found in the United States, Mexico, and China. That's all I can tell you about my presentation. Thank you for your attention. Goodbye!